coming out of that. Perfectly cooked all the way through. Let's give that a little taste. It's juicy. That tastes amazing, amazing. Back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you can, click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, we're going to make some fried chicken. This is a boil and fry method, meaning what we're going to do is we're going to get our chicken, we're going to boil it with lots of different spices, get some flavour really pumped into it, comes out, gets dusted with a lovely seasoned flour, and then we just fry it for a very short amount of time. Super juicy, super tasty. Let's get on with it. Okay, so let's do the first step of this chicken. So as you can see, I've got some chicken legs there. The bone is in, the skin is on. What we're going to do is we're going to get this into some water. We're going to boil it with these ingredients. Get some lovely flavour in there before we cook it. So I've got some ginger there, just roughly chopped. You could be adding some garlic if you wanted. Cinnamon stick, some dried chilies. I've got some cloves. I've got some star anise, and I've got some green cardamom pods there. They're all going to go into the water to give it a beautiful flavour. And then I've got like 2 teaspoons of turmeric. If you wanted, you could be putting a food colour into this as well. We're going to go with that, with a bit of added salt. Let's get over to the cooker, drop it in. So we've got a large pot there with some water in, cold water. Let's drop in our chicken legs, that ginger. Then we're going to go here with green cardamom pods, cloves and star anise. I mean, this is what I'm using. You could be using some different stuff if you wanted. Cinnamon stick, some dried chili, and then the turmeric. Nice bit of salt to go in there. Okay, I'm going to let that go for about, once it reaches boiling point, like 6 minutes. Then we're going to take it out, move on to the next step. So just as our chicken is boiling away there, let's just look at this next step. So here I've got flour. I'm using rice flour. You could be using corn flour or cornstarch or wheat flour if you want. I just prefer the rice. I've got some salt here, and then spices. We're going to make a really highly seasoned flour for our chicken. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spices plus the salt. So black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, coriander, cumin and chili powder. There's all a teaspoon each of those, or a very hefty teaspoon for this amount of flour. Simply, we're going to get that in a bowl, give it all a mix together, then we can move on. Okay, mixing bowl, in goes your flour, salt. This is a Himalayan salt, by the way, that's why it's that kind of pinkish colour. And then in goes the spices: black pepper, garlic, paprika, chili, cumin and coriander. It's really highly seasoned, so don't be shy on the salt or any of the spices. In fact, give that a mix, and that's done. We can move on. Okay, so turn the heat off. That's been going for like 7 minutes or so. So we've whacked loads of flavour in there. Got a nice bit of colour on there from the turmeric as well, as you can see. But yeah, loads and loads of flavours in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these out. We can discard all that water now and move on. Okay, so there's our seasoned flour. There's our chicken. It's kind of just cooled down a little bit. Simply, we're just going to bread this really nicely. And what's great about what we've done is we've got some lovely flavours already in our chicken, and we don't have to fry it for very long. So we're going to just press it down a bit. Let me do the rest of these. Then we get over and get this into some nice hot oil. So I've got a pan on here. Got like 2 or 3 centimetres of oil. I'm using a corn oil. You could be using something else if you wanted. Let's just pick our chicken up, give it a little shake off, and drop it in. Now as you can see, it's hot, but not crazy hot. All we're going to do is like 3 to 4 minutes on each side, flip it over, out it comes, it'll be done. Okay, let's get these out, looking absolutely wonderful. And I say they were like sort of 3 or 4 minutes on each side. They're going to be really beautifully juicy inside for sure. Let me get the others in. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there we go. Really beautiful. I mean, it's just inside. They're going to be super moist. I'll break one open for you in a moment. You've got that lovely dusting of the seasoned flour on top, which works really well. Just really easy and super, I find. Really worth the effort to put in. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Look at the juice coming out of that. Perfectly cooked all the way through. Let's give that a little taste. It's juicy. That tastes amazing, amazing.